Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Roblox 403 forbidden error in Google Chrome. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are getting 403 forbidden error in Roblox in Google Chrome, then I will show you how to fix this. First of all, you need to open Google Chrome. You can see here top right side 3 dot. Just click on this and click on the settings. And click on the search setting. Here you need to type site setting. You can see here below site setting. Just click on this. Here you need to scroll down a little bit. In this you can see here cookies and site data. Just click on this. You need to scroll down a little bit. You can see here see all cookies and site data. Just click on this. Here you will find all cookies and site data. You have to remove all this. Just click on remove all and click on clear all. You can see all cookies and site data has been removed. Then go back. Here you need to search for history. You can see here clear browsing history. Just click on this. You can see a time range. Just click on all time. Just click on all time. Here browsing history, cookies and other site data. You have to make sure that you have selected all this and click on clear data. After doing this, just close this window and go to control panel. Just click on start menu. Then search for control panel. You can see here view by. In this, if it is selected as category mall icons, in this you have to find network and sharing center. Just click on this. In left section you can see here change adapter setting. Just click on this. Guys, if you are connected with Ethernet, any wired internet, you have to right click on Ethernet. If you are connected internet with your Wi-Fi, just you have to right click on your Wi-Fi. I have connected with Wi-Fi, so I will right click on Wi-Fi, click on properties. In this you need to click on internet protocol version 4 TCP/IP4, select and click on properties. In this first option you have to keep as obtain an IP address automatically. After that you can see here below you have to make sure you have selected this one. Use the following DNS server address. Here you need to enter 1.1.1.1 and come to the alternate DNS server. Here you need to enter 1.0.0.1. After doing this, just click on OK and close this window. Guys, after doing this, once you have to restart your PC. After restarting your PC, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Roblox 403 forbidden error in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.